What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to slow down videos on TikTok. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first, open your TikTok, then choose any video you want. You want to slow down. So I'm gonna choose this. So in order to slow down, just tap and hold anywhere on the video. And with that, the settings will pop up and show different option, including playback speed. Just click playback speed, then you will have an option to slow down the video. So I'm gonna slow down the video. So in order to speed it up, just do that again and make it to 2.0 times. And that's how you slow down and speed up a videos on TikTok. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.